Ang buhay natin is made up of a series of moments and each one a journey to the end. Everything that you are now, it's because of something that happened in the past. You have to learn to live the season. Sabi dito sa Philippians 3 verse 14, "But one thing I do, forgetting the things which are behind, and stretching forward to the things which are before, I press on towards the goal unto the prize of the high calling of God in Christ Jesus." So focus tayo dun sa first part. Sabi niya dyan, one thing I do, forget the things which are behind. So, marami sa atin, yan ang failure natin. You're still living in the past. Diba? Yung season, over na siya eh. And when you can't leave it, hindi ka makaka-move on.